I think I'm going to record that. Hi, day 5. We just got home from a fun night, right? Rick, you want to say hello? Say hi to the people. We just had a fun night with his friends. Early birthday. Big birthday tomorrow. And I'm going to edit the vlog. I don't know what I have, but I just said, what does it matter? As long as we have jam, that's all the people want anyway, right? So I know we have your jam. Liz sent me her and Grant's jam. So we'll see what you get. All right. Happy day 5, everybody. Happy day 5. Vlogmas day 5, buddy. Yeah. It's our lunch hour, my lunch hour. And someone was bouncing off the walls last night. Weren't you? Yes. We haven't had a lot of exercise in the past few days, so thought, let's get out. It's chilly, but bundled up. And going to take a walk around Spring Lake, and we'll take you along with us. Okay, that was a good walk. So I just checked the tide chart and it's low tide. So I'm gonna run up to the beach. It's like 2 blocks from here and maybe we'll find some sea glass. Give it a whirl.
Oh, you were doing stuff? It's jam time.
Yeah.
Come on, do a jam.
Box 5. But she almost burnt our English muffins.
Yeah, we're doing English muffins today. We're doing light English muffins.
And
All right,
red
Grant's really
cat.
hoping for like a mango or a caramel. Oh, no. Maybe mango. What do we got? You don't know.
It's something caramel with cinnamon spread.
Apple, caramel, cinnamon, or cardamom? Cinnamon.
Yes.
Apple, caramel, cinnamon.
Box 5, best so
Predict a
far.
10.
What'd you say?
Predict a 10.
All right, Nick's predicting that we're giving this a 10.
Great will.
Oh, that Grant will give it a 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
You want to
will.
pop it or you want me to pop it? Okay, so you guys. Oh, that was good.
Save you some.
We'll save Nick. Yep, we'll save it for you. Hold on. It's juicy. I'm not getting a lot of scent.
It smells good.
I have a question for, I believe it was my brother-in-law Rick yesterday, who said something about like, I don't like jelly. Stop. But this is a good jam. What's the difference between jelly and jam? I always like consider them to be the same thing.
Jelly has like the actual like seeds and stuff in it. Or jam's just like more liquid.
You think jam is more liquid and jelly is more seedy, but I thought like preserves have seeds in them. So what's the difference between preserves and jam and jelly? You didn't even wait for me.
Mm-mm.
Oh yeah, that one. That's a winner. Save some for Dad. That one. That one. I like it better than the fig.
This is praised to be better than butter.
Better than butter. Wow, that's a statement. Are we giving it a 10?
9.999.
9.999? You think you can get better than that?
Oh yeah.
I like
These are
that.
good though.
apple caramel cinnamon spread. You would think it would be super, super, super sweet. I mean, it's sweet, but it's, oh, lovely. I wish I didn't have to save that last little bit for Nick, because I want it. Yeah, I give it a 10. I give it a 10. It was excellent.
I'm 9.8 right now because there's 2 things I know are going to be better.
Would you like me to buy this to have in the house?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I agree. Okay, we've got a winner so far. Day 5 just took the lead over the fig in our house. We'll see what Rick and Chase think. Okay, see ya.
All right, greetings everyone. We're on day 5 of this holiday journey that I'm on with my son Chase. Chase, how was your day today at school?
My day was pretty good at school today. Pretty easy. I didn't have anything important to do. So.
Easy day. Well, every day is important in school. We know that. But we're on day 5. We're doing this a little early today. Leanne and I are headed out to meet some friends, and we just want to thank everybody for their support and all the great comments that you've left for us, especially those of you that have commented on, that have put our producer Leanne on notice about trying to shorten our segments. Because we put a lot of time and effort and love into this, and we got yelled at last night. So it's you know, she runs a tight ship. Leanne does. So okay, so Chase, we're gonna go to day 5.
Yep.
So let's crack this open. Let's see what we have. We are still very into the fig.
Today we have apple caramel cinnamon spread.
All right, now this is we're elevating into the big time. We were in the minor leagues. This is big time. This is big time. I'm gonna give a little it sounds like a good combination to me.
I think this might be above the fig for me. Just off the listenings from it.
Nice. I'm not sure how the cinnamon's gonna fit in. Oh, I love that sound. Love that sound.
Oh, I have great feelings for this.
He's very positive.
I'm an optimist.
That's a good spread. You want to go first, or should we do it together? I think we did it together the first time.
Let's do it together.
Yeah, let's do that. All right. Let's see. All right. Okay, this again is the apple
Caramel cinnamon spread.
Caramel cinnamon spread. All right, let's do it.
You ready?
Let's do it. No, I have a lot to say about this. I do. I'm gonna let you go first, though.
No, you go first. You go first.
I absolutely love this. This is great. This tasted to me. It tasted a lot of apple, and then I didn't taste the caramel to the end. It like kind of mixed in, and I love the combination. I was happy that I didn't get a lot of cinnamon because I'm not a cinnamon fan.
There's definitely a lot of apple in there.
There's a lot of apple, but the caramel came.
It's nicer than mine. We had an issue. Okay, sorry. You can explain what happened.
So my mother's storage on her phone ran out, so that was just awesome. But this is very good. This is very, very good. There's a lot of apple, but this is gonna go higher than the fig for me.
Me too. I would have liked a little more caramel in there. I did taste it at the end. I'm going with my highest rating. I'm going with a 9.4.
We're gonna go 9.2.
9.2.
I'm gonna go 9.2.
Yeah, this was really good. I like the apple. Yeah, it was a nice mix. I could definitely go forward with it. That flavor is something I would like to purchase a whole jar of. That was really good.
0.5 points above my fig, and you guys know I liked my fig.
Yeah. So we will be back with number 6. My wife is taking me out for my birthday this weekend, which is nice. So I'm sure she's got some good stuff planned for that. Gonna meet some friends for dinner. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So it should be a fun weekend. We'll see you. Tomorrow, and we'll go on to number 6. So we hope everybody has a good day, has a good night. We're working toward the holidays.
Yep.
And Jason and I'll see you later.
Bye, everyone.
Peace out.